Hello everyone, Andrew here with a new YouTube video. In this one we're gonna do an FTMO like challenge. So basically we're gonna use the software that I use for backtest sessions, the one that I showed you in a previous video, and we're gonna simulate an FTMO challenge, $100,000 challenge, risking 0.5% from 0.25 all the way to 1% per trade, and then we're gonna try to pass the first phase and also the second phase really easy. So let's start a new project. Let's call it 100k FTMO. Gonna do $1,000 and let's do GU this time, GU, and let's do the year of 2021. So last year, beginning of the year all the way to the end of the year, so December, and we're probably gonna do like mid March, not March, let's do April, so from 1st of April for testing, start testing after creation. That's not. Let's click create and let's start the FTMO like challenge. So immediately we go down on the monthly to see what's going on. So monthly is kind of bearish. Previous months were bullish. Weekly as well is coming down. Daily is coming down as well. So we did react from this area. 4 hour, let's see. H4 did react from this area right here, so we did have a bullish change of character, so we might see some bullish plays going on. Let's see where price can actually react from. It did react from the last demand zone, so let's see if we come down to that doji to actually take a trade. So let's go forward to the next day, London session, and see what's going on. Okay, we do come to that 50 minutes, so that was the 1 hour also, the recent demand, so we can take this like here, whole week. Okay, and as we are getting close to London session, we might see some buys in that area, so let's watch for some confirmation on the 1 minute. We didn't make any change of character yet, so let's see. We do have a change of character there, and then we come to the low. We have a chart here, so let's see if we do have some kind of retest. Okay, and I think I wanna probably go long there. So let's take a buy here. We're gonna do 0.5% buy, and we're gonna cover this low. So it's gonna be a 10 pip stop loss. The spread also, you can see how it does get in. Take profit, we're gonna put it at a 1 to 5. So right there, modify order. Okay, so let's see how we do play out. Hopefully we get stopped out, so that was impatient. Let's see if we come to the next one or how we close actually on this 50-minute candle, because we may just have taken the low and then reverse, so that can happen. That's what GU usually does. As we're getting close to London Open, we have another change of character there, right? We do come to retest. 50-minute kind of moving sideways, but there's no wick to the upside, so I'm gonna split two positions here. One is gonna be here, and then if I take the loss, I'm gonna enter in that area also. So let's see what happens. 50-minute, okay, it does move up. London Open comes in. Let's see how London Open hasn't come in yet, so there's still a possibility to come more to the downside. Okay, we do have that spike to the downside, so now we got stopped out. We're down 1%, no problem. Let's see how we do it there. Okay, we have reaction in London Open, so I'm gonna take a buy, covering this, and add another position if we do come down more. So nice little V-shaped recovery there. Let's see if we can add another position potentially if we do come down more. Price is just a moment, just okay, add that church, and we start moving up. So let's just hold this position, see if we make a new high. Okay, moving into New York session almost. So my take profit for this trade is gonna be another 1 to 5. So 50, actually let's just wait, because see 4 hour structure continuing bullish from this point to come into this high right here. So that might happen. Also 4 hour might come to the extreme of the 4 hour right there. So let's just hold this position. 4 hour close was pretty good, and we should start pushing to the upside. So I'm gonna hold, and actually let's look for another position. That spike was really nice into the demand zone. Probably gonna have a V-shaped recovery right now. It's kind of late to get in now, but let's see if we do have a retest or some structure. Okay, to come up. Come on. Kind of want to take another buy here. Stop loss is gonna be, put it again at 10 pips. So let's take another buy. See how, oh my god, that spread is nasty. That was not good at all. We might come down more. Yeah, we do come into that extreme. We get stopped out. So man, that spread is insane. But I do think we're gonna move up. So let's see, come there. We do have the buy there. So we should respect that. So let's do another. This time we're gonna do a 7.6. And hopefully this does play out or does top us out again. And that's not gonna be too fun. We are down 1.5%. So not that good, but keep it running. We also have the 5% drawdown rule daily and 10%. So we can go down more than 10%. So let's see how we do play out in this New York session. Structure is looking pretty good. We might come down again to retest, so just keeping that position running. And 15-minute does look really nice. I think we're gonna start moving to the upside really soon while we move towards New York open. So let's increase the speed a little bit. Okay, so price did move. We are up 6% and we are coming into the 1 hour demand. What time is it? It's New York Stock Exchange open. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna close the up position. So this one I'm gonna close, securing and going almost 2% into profit. We're gonna go break even towards this and we're gonna look at the daily structure. The daily does look really good. 4 hour does look really good. Let's see if we do make a new high on the 4 hour. If we do, then we can keep holding the position, and that's the beauty of trading. We can basically swing positions while entering the lower time frames. 10 pip stop losses, 0.5% risk, and we are up 4% on this position. So now really interesting to see what's gonna happen. Structure is currently just continuing. We are 6% into profit, so let's hold it up a bit more while we get out of Asia session. It's consolidating a lot, so let's see as we are moving into London Open right now. Let's see if we do have a drop. Okay, that doesn't look really good. And also New York, so nothing going on there. Price is just ranging, so that doesn't really look good. But let's go for the next day. We just probably that was a bank holiday or something. So okay, so we started moving to the upside now, and we are coming into that extreme zone. So I'm gonna close part of the position, and I'm gonna close probably like 4 lots. So just leave that runner, and we're gonna start looking for another position depending on what happens. Okay, so price is pushing more into the next supply zone, so we do have to wait and see what's going on. Maybe if we do have a bearish confirmation, we can take some sells. We do have the bearish charge. We are coming into London Open. We have a big drop, and that's about it. We may continue bullish right now. So we did come into this area. Why can I? Okay, so we did come into that 1 hour. Okay, that's almost New York Open. Let's see some structure. We do have the bullish charge, so we could potentially execute a trade here with stop loss covering that low. And hopefully we do have an input. Okay, we got stopped out and then price came back in. So let's take another buy now. That was unfortunate, but stop loss is so big. So let's do 10 pips again. And we are gonna move slowly this time, just in case price doesn't want to do anything. Okay, so price is looking good so far, moving towards this New York session, but we are failing to make a new high. Okay, we did make a new high right now, and we are at 8% profit. So let's run the position a bit more, see if we do continue the structure on the 50-minute. I kind of want to close it, wait a little bit. Okay, let's close. Should we close? Let's look at the 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour does look like it's gonna continue. So let's go break even on both positions just in case and see what structure wants to do. And yeah, it comes down and probably takes our stop loss right now. Yeah, we do get stopped out at break even, and it comes into that extreme and probably breaking lower. So yeah, now might see a reversal in play. No, we don't. Okay, so next thing we can do is wait for price to reach our next 1 hour zone, which is gonna be. So let's wait for price, see what it does, or it might reverse from that area. Now that's Tokyo, so nothing there. Wait, okay, we do come into that area and we have a bullish judge on the 50 minutes. So let's see if we do have, come on, come back down. Price does not want to come back down into the extreme, which kind of sucks. So we're gonna be patient. We are almost done with the challenge, so there's no point in rushing it. We do miss the trade. That's perfectly fine. Let's wait for the next scenario. If we do come, okay, so we do take our break even and we come down more. So let's look at the 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour might come down into that area once again. So nothing to do there. Maybe we're gonna respect that low. Let's see. We might see some buys, but that will be really, okay, the buys did happen. So that kind of sucks. So let's take a look at the 1 hour. What does he want to do? Okay, it did break structure on the 1 hour, so we might see some sells. So let's look for any kind of reversals. This POI, we did come here. That's the flip zone, so we might see some sells from there if we do see bearish. Okay, we do move higher into the 5-minute POI. So from there we might see some actual sells. So let's look at the 1 minute. We do have a nice reaction. This is some more structure. Okay, do have the bearish charge, and I think I'm gonna take a sell here. Okay, wait. Perfect. Came up more, so that's perfect. Gonna sell. Let's do actually do a 5 pip stop loss. Cover that high as we had confirmation. And if it does come high, okay, it doesn't, just trades dropped. And I think this is gonna complete our challenge. So the reason for this sell is really simple. We did have bearish break of structure 1 hour retest at the flip zone where demand failed to hold and supply became into control. So we might see a beautiful drop all the way to the low right there. So let's set our target at this doji right here. So that's gonna be right there. So let's see if we do play out nice. We do come to retest again. Should we take another sell and finish the challenge? Yeah, I guess we can. So let's take another aggressive sell. Following structure, we do get stopped out. Okay, we did get stopped out, so gonna re-enter. That was bad. I should have just put my stop loss safe here, so I'm gonna do that now. So we are at 1% risk. Okay, got stopped out again. That's really unlucky. That's really unlucky. I hate when that happens. I think that's spread. Okay, we just re-enter again. Doesn't matter, the idea is still there. Okay, do retest again, and now we're gonna drop hard from that area. Come on, don't push higher. Okay, now take the low. Nice. Take the low and start dropping. I'm gonna remove my take profit from that. Put it here. Incorrect stop loss. Okay, take profit. Move it here. So let's keep positions running, and we're gonna close at 10%. I think we're gonna reach 10% if we drop down to that low. And there we go. We are at 110,000. So we can close all positions, and we are officially done with the first challenge. It took us 7 days, so 1 week of trading. That's really nice. And now we do have to make an additional 5k. Let's see what actually happens once we do take out this low. We do have a doji right here that I really like, so I'm gonna wait for reaction. Oh, we did touch it, so it might come down more. Let's see what happens, and if we will potentially have any sort of pullback, or if we take the low and then we come to follow the structure. So let's see. Okay, we do take the low, and let me just remove the account history, messes it up, and we do have another PY created right there. So price on the 4 hour does look really bearish, daily as well, came down. Now it's gonna make a new low, so we're just gonna keep selling. It's that easy. So we do have a valid supply zone created. Let's wait for price to get there, see what time it does get there, so we can potentially play a sell. So let's see, price does move up close to London session, so if it does spike up in London session, that's gonna be really good. Okay, we do come there, we do touch it, so that's nice. Let's see on the 1 minute. Okay, that looks beautiful. 5 minutes. So in order to not miss this sell, we do need to see some kind of retracement, and yeah, we just missed it there. Unfortunately, we did kind of miss that sell there, so that kind of sucks. So let's wait for the next thing. We do react from there, but I don't think it's gonna be anything major. Probably gonna make a new break of structure and then another mitigation and so on. Structure was really clean, so we do make a new break of structure. So we do create another supply zone right there where price may come into or even at extreme. So 5 minutes, we do have this area right there, and just above it this area. So let's see now what price does. going into New York session, we should continue having sell. So let's wait for price to reach that discount area, of course, where we can take some continuation sells to target a new low. We're waiting and waiting and waiting. Okay, we do come into the first area. Let's watch the 1 minute for some confirmation. Put it down there. Okay, coming to the extreme. Let's see, we might spike up. We do have a bearish charge. Okay, I think we could take a sell there. Yeah, let's take a sell there. So we're selling, stop loss gonna be 4 pips. We do have some imbalance there, so that's not that good. Let's cover that stop loss just to cover that imbalance, because this here does look like liquidity for me, equal high, so it might spike up into the area or just in the imbalance, as we are coming into New York Open right now. So let's see what happens. Have a nice bearish reaction. We have a charge. Okay, price does go down, and if we come into that imbalance and have a nice reaction, I'm gonna take another sell probably. Okay, 15 minute does look nice, and also we need to make 15.5k. so okay, price doesn't really want to break. Okay, it does come back there, and now it kind of becomes dangerous. Okay, because of that. That's kind of nice, just because we did come up right into that imbalance. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, we do have some nice bearish move, come back, retest. That could have been another entry. Wait a little bit more. We have the charge on the 1 minute, and now okay, we're building a lot of liquidity down there. So let's take another sell, cover that high. Okay, so we got stopped out. What? How did we get stopped out? That's not nice. Okay, price looks like it might push higher. Okay, so it did push higher. That's a 1% loss. So let's see what happens if we come higher into that area and have a bearish charge. We might see. Okay, we do have a bearish charge. Let's wait for it. Come on, that was too fast. No worries, we're gonna sell it like this. Have a tighter stop loss and see what happens. Now we're gonna definitely take out that low. So let's see if we do have a nice. Okay, come on, just missing it. Moves too fast. Does move too fast. That could have been another beautiful entry. So we do have a break of structure. We do start breaking down. So price will potentially. We are in New York Open, so we might see a really bearish move from this. Okay, snipe that, covering that high also. So we do have 1% risk. Let's see how it goes from that area. 15 minute does look beautiful to start dropping. Let's see what happens now, and our target is of course gonna be the low again, or actually we're gonna hold until we make that 5%, but we do need to see price dropping already, because this is not nice, and we are close by to New York Stock Exchange Open in like 4 minutes, so that's when we're probably gonna see, and that's exactly what's happening. Very nice. So let's hold it until we make that 15 yeah, that 5% target. Holding. Okay, that's really nice, and we are almost there. We just need to hold it a little bit more, so hopefully we do push lower and not take us out as break even. That would not be nice, because we did react from this area. So let's see if we do come back there. Okay, that's not really nice. Just gonna hold my initial stop loss, see what happens. We do have another bearish charge. Okay, might sell again from there, but just gonna hold it, as we came to re-mitigate. 1 hour doesn't. Actually 1 hour looks okay, so let's wait. Just need a bigger push. Almost there. We need like. Okay, we are done. So that's it. We got a push. Really nice. We did also have the re-entry there, but that's why I don't usually place my stop loss at break even if structure still makes sense. So if structure is still bearish, like in this case it was just retesting and making wicks, I can hold my initial stop loss until we do have some volume coming in, and this should be over. We are way past our target, and that was completed in 8 days, just using 0.5% risk, maximum of 1% risk per setup. Really easy. That's how you pass a challenge. Use 0.5% risk, use high risk reward. Always go according to the higher time frames, pro trend. So weekly and daily was looking like it's gonna go down and take out the low. And actually let's go forward to see if we do take out the low, because I'm really curious about that. So we actually did take out that low. So you see how the objective was met. We took out that low, and then what did we do? We aligned bullish, and now we are gonna move bullish. So now we can drop on the 4 hour and see how we came this area, start going bullish. We're gonna go bullish from there, and we're just gonna continue bullish. Exactly what happens. So always go according to the higher time frame scenario. That's it for me in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick simulation of an FTMO challenge. It's not that hard to complete this prop firm challenge. Just need to use a fixed risk and a really good risk reward taking only high quality setups and pro trend trades. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel. It helps me push out more content. Don't forget to join my free Telegram group. I did call out some really sick targets on EURUSD and GBPUSD that were both hit, and I'm gonna post some charts there and outlooks once in a while to help you guys make some profits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys there.